Alright guys, so today I'm going to install my slat wall. So I have behind me a freshly painted wall. Painted it last week at some point to match that back wall. And I'm also going to eventually paint the wall with the quick jacks on it. But for now, we're going to focus on this wall. So I have a 48" by 96" slat wall kit from Proslat. Got it on sale for about, I think it was 186 bucks. So I've had it for a couple months now. Finally getting around to installing it because I had to put it off because I got the these cabinets right here and just doing a bunch of other shit. So finally gonna get around to it today. So should be pretty quick and straightforward, hopefully. All I gotta do is find the studs, mark them up, mount the bottom piece, which they refer to as J-trim, mount that, cut all the panels to size. Got my miter saw somewhere. And then once I screw in the bottom J-trim, there's a similar trim for the sides. Screw those into the studs and then should be able to just pop all the slats into place and screw them all in. So let's see how terrible this job is. The wall is not quite 96 inches, so I trimmed it. It's about 95 and 1/16. So I'm gonna have to trim all of the slat panels as well to make that fit, but oh well. So got all my studs marked, so now I'm just going to screw in the bottom J-trim, get that leveled out, and then go from there. Alright, so now that I have the bottom J-trim mounted up, it's level enough. Now I gotta mount the two vertical ones, so I'm just gonna drill into the one corner at the bottom, level up the trim, and then throw a screw in at the top. So I'm gonna do that for both sides. Alright, the hard part is done. Yeah, got the frame mounted, so now I get to just cut all the slat panels to the proper length and then screw them all in. So this should be the fun part, I guess. So, in order to do this, we're just going to cut mark the lines right here, and I'm going to cut it out with a multi-tool. Alright, so all the panels are out. The last thing is to install this L trim. Just basically snaps on to the top just to give it a little bit of a finished look. So let's do it. The finishing touches. Light switch cover. Alright, so finally got the slat wall done. That took all day. That was quite a bit more work than I thought it was going to be. It was just kind of a pain in the ass. I had to cut all of the slats, and just getting it right for the switches was kind of a pain. But overall it looks pretty dope, well worth the effort. So yeah. My garage is moving along quite well, so pretty excited. Finally can get some of this off of the floor. So yeah, the slat wall comes with a few accessories. You know, a couple little pegs and hooks. So yeah, I'm gonna try and figure out which ones I need. Got few things hanging on the wall. Pretty cool. Might make some adjustments later on, but overall that's pretty dope. It's pretty nice just to be able to slide everything out of the way if you need to make room. So I'm hoping to get a little, like a towel rack, as well as a little shelf, just to put some quick detailer, you know, wheel and tire spray, just the detailing stuff that I use frequently. Not really. I think that'll be cool, and it'll be a good spot to keep it. So yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe. Deuces.